If you're wondering how to use Holo Audio in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, let's open a settings and find the Holo Audio here. So we're gonna look for it in the sound and vibration options, and here we have Holo Audio. Now you can activate or deactivate this option. If you don't like it, you can turn it off. But what it does is basically it allows you to distinguish different sounds from different directions. So if you're listening, for example, to your music, let's set it to the custom here, then you can go and select the music right here and change the direction for it. For example, you will hear it more on the front left, and then you can change to something like let's say the ringtone, as you want to hear the ringtone more to the right. And what it does, as I said, it will distinguish different sounds from different directions, so you can more focus on a specific sound. You can also go for auto settings, which will adjust them automatically to all of the directions. So I would actually recommend to go for auto, but if you want to customize it, then you can go with the custom options. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.